Welcome to functional programming, a function-based programming approach. Functional programming is a unique way of writing code that emphasizes using functions and immutable data to create cleaner, more predictable software. Throughout this series, we will explore the core principles and concepts that make functional programming a powerful tool in modern software development. Whether you are building web applications, working with data science, or developing distributed systems, understanding functional programming will transform the way you write code. First-class functions are a fundamental concept in functional programming. In this paradigm, functions are treated just like any other data type. This means you can assign functions to variables for later use, pass functions as arguments to other functions, and most importantly, return functions from other functions. This flexibility allows you to write more modular and reusable code. First-class functions are the foundation that enables many advanced functional programming techniques we will explore later. Higher-order functions are functions that either accept other functions as parameters or return functions as output. They operate on functions themselves. There are two main types: functions that take other functions as arguments, such as map, filter, and reduce, which transform and analyze collections of data, and functions that return new functions, which are used to create specialized versions of general functions. Higher-order functions are powerful tools that enable code reuse and create elegant solutions to common programming problems. Immutability means that once data is created, it cannot be changed directly. Instead of modifying existing data, you create a new copy with the desired changes applied. In the mutable approach, you modify data in place, which can lead to unexpected bugs and makes code harder to understand. In the immutable approach, you always create new data structures, preserving the original. This approach prevents unintended side effects, makes your code more predictable, and significantly improves your ability to debug and maintain your applications. State management in functional programming works differently than in traditional programming. Instead of modifying state in place, you pass the current state through a pure function and receive a new state as output. The original state remains unchanged and can be referenced later for debugging or rollbacks. This approach provides three major benefits. First, state transitions follow clear and traceable patterns, making your code predictable. Second, managing state becomes much easier to test because you can test pure functions with specific inputs and outputs. Third, immutable state enables powerful features like time travel debugging, where you can step through your application's state history. Functional programming approaches error handling differently than traditional try-catch blocks. In the traditional approach, you use try-catch blocks to handle exceptions, which can obscure program flow. In the functional approach, errors are treated as explicit outputs. Instead of throwing exceptions, functions return result or optional types that represent either successful execution with a value or an error with an explanation. This approach offers type-safe error handling, making errors visible in your code structure. It also forces you to explicitly handle errors rather than ignoring them, leading to more robust and maintainable applications. Map, filter, and reduce are three essential higher-order functions for working with arrays and collections. Map transforms each element in a collection using a function, allowing you to create a new collection with modified values. Filter selects elements from a collection that match a specific condition, creating a new collection with only those elements. Reduce combines all elements in a collection into a single value by repeatedly applying a function. Together, these methods enable you to work with data in a declarative way, avoiding traditional loops while expressing your intent more clearly. Functional programming introduces several advanced patterns that enhance code reusability and elegance. Composition combines multiple functions into a single operation, allowing you to build complex logic from simple, testable functions. Currying transforms functions with multiple arguments into a series of nested functions, each taking one argument, enabling partial application and greater flexibility. Memoization caches function results to avoid redundant calculations, improving performance when functions are called repeatedly with the same inputs. Function chaining executes functions sequentially, passing the output of one function as input to the next, creating a readable and expressive flow of operations. Functional programming manages state through three primary techniques. The first is passing state as parameters. You accept the current state as input to a function and return the new state as output. The second approach uses monads, which are abstract patterns that encapsulate state transformations in a type-safe way. The third technique involves managed references, which are controlled mutation containers that isolate mutable operations. The key principle behind all these techniques is that state transitions use pure functions that accept old state and return new state, maintaining immutability throughout. This approach enables powerful debugging capabilities like time travel debugging, where you can inspect every state change in your application's history. Functional programming is not just theoretical, it powers some of the world's most successful applications. In web development, React, Vue, and modern UI frameworks embrace functional concepts. Finance companies use functional programming for trading algorithms and risk assessment. Messaging platforms like WhatsApp are built on Erlang, a functional language designed for concurrent systems. Data science and machine learning rely heavily on functional approaches for data processing and model training. Entertainment platforms like Netflix use functional programming for recommendation engines. Telecom companies depend on functional languages for network infrastructure. Artificial intelligence and natural language processing leverage functional paradigms for language processing. Finally, distributed systems and cloud computing benefit from the scalability and reliability that functional programming provides. Industry leaders including Netflix, Spotify, Amazon, Twitter, and thousands of organizations worldwide rely on functional programming for building scalable, reliable, and maintainable systems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.